Welcome to a bowl of happiness. Today we are making 豚の生姜焼き丼 ginger pork on rice. Ginger pork is a thinly sliced sautéed pork full of ginger and sesame flavor, which make the sauce so tasty. It is one of the most popular recipes on the lunch menu as well as the bento box, Japanese lunch box. It is a quick and easy dish. It literally takes less than 10 minutes to cook. First, let's get the onion and ginger ready. Peeling ginger is not a difficult thing to do. The best thing to peel ginger with is a spoon, and just scrape the skin off the ginger. The spoon can get into all those little bumpy spots where the knife can't. And now grate the ginger. Don't throw away the juice. We will be using it for the sauce. Let's make the sauce now. Add 20 ml of sake into a pot, and then 20 ml of sweet sake, 20 ml of soy sauce, $15 ml of sesame oil, and then add 10 grams of grated ginger along with the juice. And lastly, 15 ml of honey. Heat up a little bit and sprinkle in some grated sesame seeds. Heat the skillet and add the sliced onion and stir fry for a little while. If you're using a non-stick frying pan, you don't need to use any oil in here because enough oil will come out from the pork at this point. If you're using a regular pan, then add a bit of oil here. Stir fry the pork and the onion. Stir fry them with medium heat. You don't want the onions to brown too fast. You want them to bring out a bit of their sweetness here. When the onion gets half transparent and the pork looking lightly browned, you pour the sauce into it and turn off the heat. Put it over a bowl of steamed rice and sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds. A touch of Japanese mayonnaise makes this bowl of pork ginger even better. And garnish with the drained ginger. And here you are. Enjoy the simple yet delicious ginger pork and rice, 豚の生姜焼き丼. Here's a little healthier version without the mayo, which tastes good as well. Please take a look at the description box below for more detailed ingredients and tips. We make simple homemade dishes that put a smile on your face. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.